Oh, he doesn't know what it is yet.
Landon, did you get me a Barbie card?
No, that's mine.
You want to read it to me? It says, Happy Father's Day to the world's most awesome dad. Barbie Fabulous, you rock.
And in the inside, I wrote this.
It says, best dad ever. Love, Sophia.
Wait.
Dad, best dad ever.
Yay.
What's this one? That's Landon. No, it isn't.
Dad, I know you can be a little squirrely and drive you nuts. Oh, you can. Are you a little squirrely? But I want you to remember. What's that say?
Anger does a fall, but one good father. I would be done. Daddy.
So we're both squirrely?
Happy Father's Day, Rosalind.
Oh, all right, give me another one.
That's his. That one's Landon.
What? I don't have another son?
That's it. That's Landon's.
Dylan?
He wants his toys in his closet.
A baseball card. We should hang this up in your room. This is really cool.
No, open it.
Oh, the Tigers or Cubs. What's it say, Landon?
Best dad and coach.
I'm a good coach. Thanks.
Hope your Father's Day is ahead. Best dad in sport. Love, Landon.
Thanks, buddy. I've been doing my best as being a coach.